Maraming po sa mga kritiko, mga labas na informasyon.
Sir, how's your regular exercise routine like? What do you do? I do weights. I go on
Direct ka niya. Huli mo na.
I work towards a heart rate.
And that's daily.
No, I
Tinanggal niya.
four times a day. Two days on, 1 day rest.
All right.
Sir, before you were very quiet about answering your bashers and trolls. What was the breaking point? What was the tipping point? Bakit kayo nag-decide to attack and otherwise? Sir, no more questions.
Seaports. Lalapit na ko konti po ngayon kasi tumatanggap pa ng mga questions ang presidente para lang marinig natin ano. Ito na ang Pangulo.